Hello, all of you. Let's imagine you are very happy today because there is something special happened today and you want to enjoy your day and you just entered or walk into a restaurant and the waiter asked to you, "What do you want to eat, sir?" And you replied, "I want to eat pizza." Then the waiter again replied, "Great, sir. One pizza is coming right up to you." But wait, tell me one thing. This is what we actually practically do. Okay, but how does Java handle this kind of choices? Let's suppose in restaurant we are having multiple options we all know like pizza, burger, pasta, coffee and all whatever. How can we specifically choose one thing from these multiple options? That's where the switch statement comes in. So a switch statement lets Java choose one block of code from multiple possible options, and it's basically like one value which is having many possible actions or options. So here is the basic syntax of our switch case. We need to write switch keyword. After that, into round brackets we need to write expression, and depending on that expression our case values are getting matched. So that is why we have written here case value 1, then code, break, case value 2, code, then break, case value 3 and so on. And at last we need to write default keyword and after that the simple message that we want to print. So the switch checks for a value, then Java looks for that matching case. If it finds a match, that code runs depending on that option. Alright, so let's build a menu of our restaurant and let me take here integer choice as 2, switch, and in round brackets I want to take here choice, then open and close curly brackets. After that case number 1 system.out.println. Okay, if there is first option I want to print pizza, then break keyword, then second option burger, break, third option pasta, break, and in default I want to print invalid choice. Okay, now we simply save the code and compile it. Our program is compiled successfully. Now tell me guys in the comment section, what do you think if our choice number is 2, which case will be matched here and what will be the output for this program? Yes. So yeah, here is our output and the output is what? Burger. Because our choice is 2, Java finds that case number 2. Inside that second option we are having burger and Java just executed that statement and we have simply getting burger as an output, and that's about it. Here are our 3 important concepts. First is case. So the case, which is nothing but an option that represents one possible value for specific kind of situation, we can say. If the switch value matches that option or that case, that block gets executed. The second is break keyword. Okay, just imagine a car driving through multiple doors without having a brake. What's this break doing everywhere inside our switch case also? It's basically telling Java, I found my answer and now you can stop execution. And without break, Java may continue executing all of the following cases. So let's remove break keyword from our case also. Okay, so we have just simply removed break keyword and we have again compiled the program successfully, and here you can see the output is what? Burger and pasta. So we have only selected burger. Why did pasta show up too? Because Java is trying to say us, nobody told me to stop after getting burger. So that's why I have continued execution. That's where break keyword is very important. Okay, and it is important when you want to stop after the matching option. Third one is default. So default is something like suppose your user enters choice number 7 or any other keyword or any other letter. What will happen in that scenario? Let's suppose I am taking here choice as 7 and just again executing the code, and tell me in the comment sections please, what do you think, what should be print here? Here we are getting output as invalid choice that you can see here. And that's exactly when default comes in. It's simply like none of the above option. Okay, whenever we don't find any matching option, in that case our default option will get executed. And that's all about this switch case statement. So if you enjoyed this video and if you like this video, make sure to share this video with your friends, like the video and subscribe to CodePaath. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.